Because I equal fun.
Carmania.
In Colombia, they play the game
Tejo. Tejo.
To play Tejo, we are traveling an hour and a half from Bogota, Colombia to the small town of Guateque. Once you leave Bogota, the landscape starts to drastically change fast. You'll get lost in the scenery as you coast through the windy roads. Guateque is a quaint little town not frequented by international tourists. The best and most cultural Tejo experience is one had in a local setting with people that love the game and want to introduce you to their culture. Hola, here I am in Guateque, Colombia, and I am about to play the game Tejo. I've always wanted to play this game. Tejo kind of looks like cornhole to me. It's the only way I can try to explain it. I'm not even sure though. Maybe I'm wrong, but you know, you got your court, you got your target, and actually if you hit a specific target and it blows up, I mean it has gunpowder, and if it goes boom, then you get like 6 points, 7 points, something like that. If you hit above, below, to the right, to the left, you get an X amount of points, and it's kind of like cornhole because you go to 21. You know, it's a bunch of guys hanging around, drinking some beers, having a good time, and I'm really excited to play this because I've never even heard of it outside of, you know, traveling to Colombia. So let's check it out. So these are what you call canchas de Tejo. This is the Tejo court. That's what explodes. You hit that, those blow up. This is the Tejo scoring area. The 4 triangles are gunpowder known as mechas. If you hit one and it blows up, you get mecha and 3 points. If it hits the left or right mecha and goes inside the circle in the square position, you get 6 points. If the Tejo goes in the center square of the circle, it's 6 points as well. Any Tejo that sticks in the clay outside the circle is 1 point. The ultimate score is to hit the top mecha, have it blow up, and fall into the circle and top square position. This is called Moñona for 9 points. So this thing is what you call the Tejo. It's actually pretty heavy. And this is what you're trying to hit your target with.
Tejo.
One of the major rules of the game Tejo, you have to have a beer at all times. I'm liking Tejo so far. Voy a probar. 1, 2. So that is a wrap on Tejo. It was a fun experience. I would totally do it again. And yeah, it's totally like horseshoes or cornhole, but with gunpowder and beer. I mean, how could you go wrong? And bonding with local Colombian people that you've never met before. I mean, I'd say if you find yourself in the middle of Colombia, find a Tejo court and make some friends.
Tejo.